Hey y'all, it's Andrea with Sucs For You in Houston, Texas, and I wanted to show you guys this sweet little plant. It is Sinningia leucotricha or leucotricha, and also known as Brazilian Edelweiss, and it's in the Gesneriad family, which is in the same as African violets. So I love this little plant. I actually tried to grow them from seed a while ago and didn't have any luck getting anything germinated, but I saw this one at a local sale, the local society sale. I was like, you know what, let's try it, let's go for it. And at that time it only had one stalk on it, and since then, gosh, that was May, June, July, so only 2 months later we've got 3 sweet stems and leaves with new growth. And the flowers on these I haven't seen open yet, but they're really pretty, like a red coral, and the leaves themselves are fuzzy. I don't want to rub them too much, but they're so soft. They're like little kitten ears. And I did some research on these, and you'd think, you know, they're native to Brazil, they like it really hot, but I mean, it is really, really hot here in Houston, and we're getting days well above 95 degrees, and that's about the max for these guys before they'll go dormant. And I didn't want it to go dormant. I wanted to watch it grow. So I've been keeping it inside in a south-facing window, and we keep it around 74, 75 degrees in there. And with the window, it'll add a little extra heat, but not much. But it's really bright, but it doesn't get direct sun. So because I've kept it in a cooler place, it's continuing to grow. It hasn't gone dormant yet. These are just the loveliest. Let me see if I can zoom in. Just beautiful, fuzzy. Look how fuzzy they are. Oh my gosh. And it's got a really cute caudex. So when I water them, I have just been really carefully watering from the top, just around the caudex, avoiding the leaves because I don't want to get them wet. But what I'm going to do now is just take this bowl and just let it hang out in here for a few minutes, and then I'll pull it out and then put it back on its tray. And again, I am keeping this inside. I'm shooting this outside right now because my son's inside practicing his drums, and it's always a competition. We're like, where is it quiet? Where is it not hot? But we're not going to be out here very long with this. But I just wanted to show you guys how sweet this little plant is. And I was pretty scared of it, honestly, just because it seems so delicate, and with the caudex, I don't know, just iffy. But you know, I tend to have good luck with caudiciform plants. So I was like, well, you know what? We're gonna give it another shot, even though I'd only tried it from seeds before, and I'd never seen it for sale. But yeah, the local Houston Cactus and Succulent Society sale is a great place. Any local society sale is a great place to find really interesting plants you won't see everywhere else. I haven't repotted it because it's obviously happy. It doesn't need to be repotted anytime soon, and just kind of letting it get used to life with me, and seeing if I can just keep it happy, how long this new growth stays on. They will go dormant. They'll go heat dormant, and then we'll go winter dormant. And I am going to do a little more research so I know what that looks like. I do know that the leaves will start to dry up and fall off, and depending on the temperature and depending on the plant, they might completely fall off, and we won't have any growth until spring or until it wakes back up. So I'm not going to freak out if I start seeing the leaves look a little unhappy. This actually, let me check this out. This looks like an old flower, and I wonder if it's not a seed pod. Let me see what this is. Okay, so it just came right off. That's a good sign. Let's see here. Now, I don't even know what the seed pod is. I should look it up, but hold on. Let's see. Maybe there's a couple little seeds in there. Let me see if I can find out what they look like real quick. Okay, I'm back. I looked up it took me a while to try and find any kind of photo of a seed pod, but it seems that they form at the base of the flower, so maybe that's a seed pod. But I looked at what came out under the microscope, and maybe there's 1 or 2 seeds in there, if they're seeds at all. It's really hard to tell. There's not a lot of pictures on the internet. And I look back at a video I made with the Sinningia seeds, and they're super duper small. So, you know, I'm not too sure. Might throw them in some soil and see what happens, but I'm really happy with this guy. He's been soaking in here for probably like 20 minutes now since I stopped to go inspect what might have been a seed pod. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out. And the pot definitely feels heavier than it did before. And then we'll go put it back in its little spot in the window where it seems to be pretty happy. Might even have, let's see here. Kind of looks like there might be another little flower forming down in there. We'll see. So far so good. It's really adorable. It's so soft you can almost not feel it. I rubbed it on my lips to be able to feel how soft they actually are. It's my plant. I can do whatever I want with it. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll do some more updates and show you guys some more just little one-on-ones with particular plants. And speaking of one-on-one, I do offer just custom question and answer services. So if you have any questions, you need some one-on-one advice, need help identifying something, need help figuring out any problems going on with your plants, check out my website and click on the link called Ask Andrea. I will include it in the description below. And always read my video descriptions, as I leave more information that I maybe forget to include in the video, or helpful links, further information, names, all that fun stuff. So yes. Alright guys, we're going to get back in the house. It is hot out here. It feels like temperature is well over 100 degrees. And that doesn't feel very good. The humidity is the killer. Humidity here automatically adds 10 degrees to whatever the outdoor temperature is. So yeah, I'm going to take this baby back inside and see y'all soon. Thanks for watching.